So welcome you all in this new video, and we are going to do about the MCQ true and false and fill in the blank like questions from the chapter nationalism in India. And so we are starting with the question 1. The round table conference which was boycotted by the Congress: A second, B first, C third, none of the above. You have to tell which round table conference was boycotted by the Congress, and its correct answer is option B. First roundtable conference was boycotted. Now question 2. Federation of Indian Commerce and Industries was formed by British traders, Indian farmers, Indian merchants, none of the above. And you have to tell the correct option, and its correct answer is option C, Indian merchants. Now question 3. Who was the president of Muslim League in 1930? Option A Sir Muhammad Iqbal, Shaukat Ali, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and option D Maulana Azad. And its correct answer is option A Sir Muhammad Iqbal. Now question 4. During the British India, how many provinces were there? 6, 8, 7, and 9. And the correct answer is option B 8. There were 8 provinces. Now question 5. Who headed the Awadh Kisan Sabha in Awadh? Subhash Chandra Bose, Madan Mohan Malviya, Bipin Chandra Pal, Jawaharlal Nehru. And its answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Option D is the correct answer. Now question 6. This sense of collective belonging came partly through united struggles, peace struggles, individual struggles, none of these. And its correct answer is option A. If you think that video is fast or slow, you can adjust the speed from the option given above. Now question 7. In which continent modern nationalism come to be associated with the formation of nation state? Option A Australia. It's Australia, not Austria. Option B Europe. Option C North America, and option D Africa. And its correct answer is option B Europe. Now question 8. What was not used as a new link which redefined the boundaries of communities and the making of the new national entity? And option A new symbols, option B new songs and ideas, icons and customs. And the correct answer is option D customs. Now question 9. Which year the national movement spread to new areas, incorporating new social groups and developing new modes of struggle? Option A 1914, option B 1916, option C 1919, and the last 1918. And its answer is 1919. Now question 10. What created a new economic and political situation in India during 1913 and 1918? And its options are option A war, option B famine, option C peace, and option D flood. And its answer is option A war. Now question 11. When did Mahatma Gandhi return to India? Option A January 1912, option B January 1914, option C January 1913, option D January 1914. And its answer is option D January 1915. Now question 12. What was the non-corporation Khilafat movement begin in India? January 1919. It's when was the non-corporation Khilafat movement begin in India? January 1919, and option B January 1921, option C February 1920, and the last February 1922. And its answer is option B January 1921. Now question 13. Which class was mainly involved initially in non-corporation Khilafat movement? Elite class, lower class, middle class, all of the above. And its answer is middle class. Now question 14. Which province did not boycott the council election? Madras, Ahmedabad, Hyderabad, and Lucknow. And you should know the answer, and its answer is option A Madras. Now question 15. A militant guerrilla movement spread in Garo Hill, Khasi Hill, Gudem Hill, none of the above. And its answer is option C Gudem Hill. Now question 16. What did the Rowlatt Act 1919 presume? Option A, detention of political prisoners without trial. Option B, forced recruitment in the army. Option C, formed manual labor. And the last, equal pay for equal work. And its correct answer is option A, detention of political prisoners without any trial. This was the law passed in 1919 known as Rowlatt Act. And now question 17. What did the term picket refer to? Stealing from shops, import of goods, protest by blocking shop entrance, and boycott of clothes and goods. And I think its correct answer is stealing from shops. Let's check the answer. Yeah, it is correct. Option A is the correct answer. Now question 18. Where was Gandhi's ashram located? Dandi, Sabarmati, Allahabad and Nagpur. And I think everyone knows the answer and is Sabarmati. साबरमती के साथ. Now question 19. All Kisan Sabha was set up and headed by Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and there are only three options and its correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Now question 20. In Awadh pigeons were led by which sannyasi who had earlier been to Fiji as an indentured labor? Baba Ramdev, it's not an answer. Baba Nagarjuna, Baba Ramchandra, and option D, Baba Parmanand. And its answer is Baba Ramchandra. Option A is too funny. Now question 21. The nation is most often symbolized in which of the forms? Option A, history and fiction. Option B, figures or images, popular prints and folklore or song. And its correct answer is option B, figures or images. Now question 22. With the growth of nationalism, who created the image of Bharat Mata in the 20th century? Nandlal Bose, Rabindranath Tagore and Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. And his correct answer is option D, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Now question 3. In late 19th century India, which ideas were revived through a movement to develop nationalism? Figure or images, popular prints, history and fictions, folklore and song. And its correct answer is, let's check it, option D, folklore or song. Now question 24. Who himself took interest to revive folklore in West Bengal? Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, Avindrannath Tagore, and option D, all of the above. And its answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Now question 25. What was the effect of the non-corporation movement on the plantation workers in Assam? Option A, they left the plantation and headed home. Option B, they went on a strike, they destroyed the plantation. And option D, none of these. And its correct answer is option A, they left the plantation and headed home. Now question 26. What was the main problem with the Simon Commission? And option A, it was all British Commission. And I think it is the answer. And option B, it was formed in Britain. It was set up in response to the nationalist movement. And option D, all of the above. So option A is the correct answer. It was an all British commission. Now going to other fill in the blanks type question. This type of question is not necessary too much, but it can increase your knowledge about the objective. So doing the question 1, Dash was known as Lion of Punjab. The person who was known as the Lion of Punjab was I think Lala Lajpat Rai. Yeah, it is the correct answer. Now question 2. Mahatma Gandhi returned to India in 1915 from South Africa. Its answer is South Africa. Due to the violent incident in Dash, Gandhiji called off the non-cooperation movement, and I think you should know the answer. Just fill in the blank here with the correct answer, and its answer is Chauri Chaura. After that, non-cooperation movement was off. Now question 4. In Dash movement, women participated in large number for the first time, and its answer is civil disobedience movement. That was started by breaking the law, salt law. Now question 5. Gandhiji called Dalit as Harijans. Gandhiji called Dalit as Harijan. Now true and false type question. You should also practice this type of question. Number of this type of question is 2 less 1 or 2, but knowledge is too much important. So question 1. Colonial exploitation under the British rule was the important factor of nationalism in Europe, and the given statement is false. Now question 2. Baba Ramchandra led the civil disobedient movement, and it should be false. Now question 3. Alluri Sitaram Raju was the leader of militant guerrilla movement in the Goodham Hill, and its answer is true. Yes, he was the leader. Now question 4. The Rowlatt Act gave the British government power to suppress political activity, and its answer is true. The given statement is true. Now question 5. 300 miles were covered in Gandhiji's Salt March, and it is false. So we have done all the questions related to the nationalism in India. So this type of questions from the chapter 1 or chapter, so many chapter I have made the playlist. You can click on the I button and you will get the link at the end of the video. So we have done all that. Just subscribe the channel and hit the like button to motivate me, and just hit the comment section. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Have a good day.